I was dancing, my darling, to the fantasy world. Then an old friend I happened to see. I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the days it was. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling, and then